And I told General Torre to please also remind General Marbil that, of course, I am a lawyer. We will not take this sitting down. We will be certainly filing a case against you. If you will retire, this will haunt you. Those are my exact words. This will haunt you, sir. My next information to you is I gave in to the request of General Torre a while ago. I requested the executive pastor of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ to accompany me, Pastor Marlon Acobo. We had a serious discussion on the matter, and I asked him point blank if and when are they going to stop the, ongoing drilling operations in the JMC compound. He neither confirmed nor denied the same. And accordingly, according to him, it's beyond him. Okay? And I likewise asked him why the helicopter yesterday flew so near the JMC rooftop. No? I know that they have already conducted casing operations. And they know that we have installed therein a solar panels. It's quite expensive, no? It's one of the first solar panels being introduced here in Mindanao, no? So that we can have backup powers in cases of brownouts, no? And he neither confirmed nor denied that he was there because our cameras were able to see him, no? We told him that maybe what you did was purposive. In fairness to him, he did not admit that. But we have reasons to believe that it was purposive because if you can see, the helicopter was only few inches away from the rooftop, leading to the destruction of the solar panels. No? So what they're doing is they destroy the solar panels in the rooftop. They are now making our school, our law school, no? School of Medicine, we have very nice rooms, no? As their boarding houses. Policemen are sleeping there. We have even pictures of policemen there going to our restroom, taking a bath. No? And in the basement, they're conducting tunneling operations there. No? I would ask you if this is still right. No? I think this is highly irregular. And I told General Torre to please also remind General Marbil that, of course, I am a lawyer. We will not take this sitting down. We will be certainly filing a case against you, and maybe 1 billion or more. And if you will retire, this will haunt you. Those are my exact words. This will haunt you, sir, because even if the case would last for 5 years, that is still 2029, and another president would be sitting by that time. And whatever retirement pay that you will have, because we will be suing you not only in your official capacity, but as well as your personal capacity. And the host of criminal cases that we will be filing against you would be too much for you, I suppose. And he acknowledged that, and according to him, he is just following orders. It's beyond me, according to him. So, but whether he likes it or not, no, know that he is the regional director, and this is within his jurisdiction, so he could not escape accountability. I would like to remind likewise General Marbil that he may be personally accountable likewise here, and maybe the good Secretary of Interior and Local Government. Imagine conducting tunneling operations in a school. This is unprecedented in the history of the Philippine Republic.